Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of fermentation, and we're getting our hands dirty making some delicious pickles and kimchi. But it's not just about the taste, it's about the science, specifically the crucial role of pH in food preservation. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what pH really is. pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a solution is. This scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Anything below 7 is acidic and above 7 is basic. Why does this matter? Because the pH level is a key player in fermentation, which is the process that gives us these yummy pickles and kimchi. Now, fermentation is an ancient technique, dating back thousands of years. It's a natural process in which microorganisms like bacteria and yeast convert sugars into alcohol or acids. This not only creates some fantastic flavors, but also acts as a preservative. That's right, these microorganisms are our tiny warriors against spoilage. So, how does pH fit into all this? Well, when you're making pickles or kimchi, the goal is to create an environment that is acidic enough to keep harmful bacteria at bay, while allowing the good bacteria to thrive. For most pickled foods, the magic number is a pH of 4.6 or lower. This acidic environment is where our friendly bacteria, like Lactobacillus, love to live and work their magic. But there's more to it. The acidity doesn't just ward off the bad guys, it also helps to lock in flavors and crispness. Ever wondered why good pickles have that perfect crunch? It's all thanks to the acidity level. Let's put this theory into practice. When making kimchi, for instance, ingredients like cabbage and radish are mixed with salt and other spices. As it ferments, the pH gradually drops, creating that tangy taste we all love. By monitoring the pH, you can actually control the fermentation process to achieve the perfect balance of flavors and preservation. And there you have it. pH isn't just a number, it's a crucial factor that transforms simple ingredients into mouth-watering pickles and kimchi, all while keeping them safe and tasty for a long time. Next time you enjoy these fermented delights, remember the science that made them possible. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious science. Until next time, keep experimenting and enjoy the wonders of fermentation.